Hello, Curious Minds. This is Garima Mathur from Curo Minds Career Analyst. Many parents have been asking when is the right stage for counseling. So, I'll be speaking about the various stages where we can go for career counseling. Career counseling होती क्या है? To map out the suitable career directions in relation with your personality and interest. So we take help of various scientific methods and I personally take help of psychometric assessments. So the first stage of counseling is class 9th and 10th, where the objective of taking counseling is to figure out the subject options. क्या subjects हम 11 12th में लेने वाले हैं? Truly it matters because it's the foundation stage of your career. Second stage is when you're in 11th and 12th, you already have opted for the subjects but you are not sure कि मुझे आगे graduation में क्या करना है. So graduation में क्या करना है हमें कैसे पता लगेगा? Of course, when we have the goal, the career destination with us. So it would be easy for us to map out the graduation and the education options. Stage 3 comes when you have done graduation or you are in second year, third year of graduation and are still not sure कि मैं ये जो कर रही हूँ मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ. I'm pursuing some graduation degree but I'm not sure मुझे उसके साथ आगे क्या करना है या जो मैं पढ़ रही हूँ मुझे उसमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं आ रहा है. I want to explore more career options. So that becomes the stage 3 wherein we counsel the graduates for the career opportunities after that aligned with your education, with your interest. We try to find out the middle way out जहाँ पे आपकी education भी use हो रही है, आपका time भी use हो रहा है and you are mapping with your suitable career directions. Stage 4 comes when you have done your graduation, you have done your masters or you are a working professional, you have certain experience 4 years 5 years but you are still confused, you are still not sure that am I doing the right thing or I have completed my all education but I'm not sure, I'm clueless कि मुझे किस direction में जाना चाहिए. Because this era of education, technology, rapid developments, there are so many career options, and we want to do the best. We want promising and safe career options. Though, students, there is no early stage, no late stage of taking career counseling, but yes, right stage, if I say, that starts with the subject foundation. So please consider taking a professional counseling while choosing your subjects if you are confused and if you are not very sure, and it's better late than never. अगर आप लेट हो गए हैं, आपकी एजुकेशन हो गई है, still you are confused, you're figuring out what to do next, do reach out to us, to professional counselors, to Curo Minds. You can find the details in caption. We might certainly help you. Good day and all the best.